Okay, so we have a trust, and that trust owns an interest in an entity. An entity like a limited liability company or a corporation or a partnership. And what happens when the entity makes a distribution to the trustee of the trust? Well, here in New York, we have the New York Uniform Principal and Income Act, and there are rules about how the trustee must allocate those distributions received from the entity, unless, of course, the trust agreement states otherwise. So, just for a few examples, let's say the entity distributes cash to the trustee of the trust. That cash will be allocated to income by the trustee. Let's say that the entity distributes property to the trustee of the trust. That property will be allocated to principal. And let's say that the entity has an option for the trustee. So the trustee could take a distribution in property or in cash. Well, even if the trustee takes property, then that distribution will be allocated to income, and so on. And this is very general, and there are obviously nuances. But these are the types of things that can be thought about when setting up a trust that will hold business interests. So very important to plan ahead and plan according to the various factors that could affect any particular trust that is set up. Now, here in New York, we also have the power to adjust and unit trust options. These would all be considered as far as setting up a particular trust and what's at play in your circumstances. So if you have any questions on trust planning or trust planning with business interests, please reach out. This is Ruth George with Ruth P. George Law, PLLC, Trust and Estate Attorney. This video, as with any video I do put out, does not establish an attorney-client relationship. This is for educational purposes only, and I hope to see you on another video.